Ebusion for aha Ghana Scientific GH message or like, comment, subscribing. Turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusion for over almost 3 days and not 4 days near. And I am a more Volta region. K2 honum. Anglo side honum. Ekoye demonstration be. Now demonstration of mass is simple and straightforward. Asema mukare say BC no ebon there be omuntemi. They cannot. Adentia because already no BC no increment registration the increment abeto so. I 20% increment. Abanya on catch it say inflation 3.8%. Abanya catch say workers no. Abanya juma ye phone no. Sika omana ye enti omu de 9% na betimi amom ene the best deal. Sa ban etimi to BC registration nemu by 20%. Joma ha no. The hope no. The hope no. The kwen nipa no ono ano no. Enti yena na me force o munti ase. Enti Ghana Sem TV no we dey unim say same saba ya blasty parents na we because parents we are na am kasa betimi atua. Na wa wo son BC registration wo no. SS sika na betimi atua. SS school fees na betimi atua. And I say what's registration na betimi atua. Bisa wo 2028 to kona koto abana bisa wo say enne amesun BC sika ho no. Enye senior high school school fees, senior high school PTA dues, senior high school wasi registration de metme untumi a ene na akoto abama NPP. Away from that, ebisa Ghana TV says sika no ye sen why are people complaining? Sika no ye sen e was for the Ukraine meaning per the report we are receiving on say and now Ghana ha no BC registration BC 1,900 Ghana cedis. 1,900 Ghana cedis for and na BC registration in Ghana as say. What they call dollars my $190 US dollars. That is BC registration. Ewo Kwame Nkrumah Ghana say. After over 60 years. After over 60 years. Now, you can understand why parents are complaining. You understand it because under Akufo-Addo, no, under NPP, even the registration for BEC now got a bind each year. Yeah. A surprising meaning pa. Now a bind and registration for BEC until we a parent. You don't have anything to worry about. All you should do is say, make sure your child is learning, make sure your child is going to school. Akufo-Addo Aban got it all sorted out for you. But can afford to see there be a moon pen. No. Can afford to see quen or mope. Now, besides, I say Ghana for do sena or bet me afford the 1,900 Ghana cedis. Eti wa we are one kola mienu. Our JHS now we control BC at in the same year. Would year 3,800. Wa we one kola miensa. You can see for yourself where you are headed. And this is the alternative our NDC is offering Ghanaians. BC 1,900. Na Akufo-Addo na onya sika no won ifa na odetua eman kola na mama ntimi nya sika na edetua eman kola no. Misplaced priorities. Would they call government schools, Saito schools, Nekoshren kola no say, do sign a bit many 1,900 Ghana cedis. I got BC registration. Do was saying almost 1,900 like I'm a Saito. Can kolano or my parents, I will phone, it was 1,900 for your registration. And can say, my bank was Saito. Inconsiderate government careless government. It will be a government. That is what we all have to do it. You can donate to Ghana TV GH by donating to the number beneath your screen. Help us to upgrade our studio. Help us to purchase data bundles through those donations to upload the beautiful content that you so much love. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.
The voice. How much were they demonstrating over? Almost the BC near almost say price near 1,009. What I watch the no for BEC. Increase by 20%, obviously. So that's 1,009%. Do it. Do the cross check and see. Next person here, 20% of their away price now we Nana Addo to Nana Addo 1,900 away Ghana sees. It's no eden lies, no eden lie na makano ha. Onko sua. Waka kura no onko research you. No be na you are lying. You are telling lies. You are lying. Yen you no mai gbefu so dem to me twa ya say monte so man na 1,000 na yen tumi ntua. E dey kura ni. Please, Alliance TV. Me, what I watch, What I watch is what I'm saying. They came out to do demonstration. So maybe, okay. So Alliance, can you get closer to somebody? I don't know whether you NPP or NDC. I don't even care. But you get closer to somebody, a parent, and ask them that how much will the 20% increments bring to them to pay for BEC? Na impo. Say parents need to even 500 cedi krana. Edapom. Ade a buy tantan na ba no. Nana Addo aban na yenye papa no otumi to them my student ni free. Otumi di to my student ni free. To the yefan say 500. Yefan say fees ni 500. Any dia odema free, dia na nkeye. They are on this 500 and a man who for the first show bottom na fire wedjuma. Any do a sebrabe to us 500 no. Why nan cabo? Let us get serious. Mama yema yenin now. Alliance, you are father. Thank you. Adi Nana Addo de ma free no and they yesi betua. O say and nena yesi betua na who needs can baby a who coffee free no. Better. And then of that cost about 8,000 Ghana cedis. And into create Nino, so bet to me under Nana Addo no. Se create Nino, Sabio to me ton bakwa, or ton cocoa bag bakwa, or to me the yede, or to me the take. First, no time Nana Addo no deck, nay 3,000, 4,000. Enti oton cocoa bag bakwa, or to me the tuan of deck cost bako edema or no neba. Otumi tuya bako. Nana Addo no ma 3,100 at Kuyeni. Into Obano no deck no. Obano no deck ya. Sebi. We oye no. E cost on 3,000. Ube tumi tuya. And the same no deck you are paying 8,000. Inti Kuku Kuyeni na ode na about 2,500 no. Obede the way to your says kano. Don Perry, I don't expect everyone to believe what I say here. However, I expect you to cross-check, come in with the fact, and don't just come and write stupidity, say it's a lie when you have no emphasis. I wouldn't entertain that. Okay? For you to say what somebody is saying is a lie. Humanly, obi anajuni juma.
That's his real name. His real name is Emmanuel Abbey. I don't know the cool school course or was. I know.
Randy and Shane Finfi.
There be Randy be and Shane Finfi. I quite a nickname on also now we end then on the tone so now hear Randy at this time. He didn't the Randy be Nisuku or
what check it?
Nisukua will call you from primary to university they ba SS na Uyusu Emmanuel Abba Oba. you kind of say university and as I ran in the starting say bem obi onim wa intina me so ba onko fa affidavit no mechira yen they are or so as affidavit no e changing the name from Emmanuel Abbey to Randy Abbey or bechira yen cause so far or the Randy Abbey and ababeji position ne krata or the beji position na Emmanuel Abbey any so it no or bechira yen endusumu but not to yeah, I mean like there's interesting times ahead. And this is the fun they say in the baby you wow ora no FM na yeah can I would say and there abeye case ya momo now me de bia ya na me refer me who to say obiara o follow Felix Apia crime bia no I friend of Slim Flex I friend of Uncle Felix I be my friend of brother Felix one ya meti ameka say
you friend is senior Felix.
so I'm person on be me chance into but still yeah. Oh, yes, meeting. Yeah, but at the end of the day, what I said, Nene say, Onyankopon allowed NDC to win 2024. Ama just to shame them.
Yeah.
Take it and change it and let us see. And that is exactly what is happening to them. Okay, this Emmanuel Abbey guy is a very, very dangerous weapon. Or call was. Sir, let's cut deal. Yes, cut deal. Yeah, no, yeah. Udiko we are there, Pamun free West African. Yes, was no more Pamono. And he was sacked because of thievery. We are there near Pamono. That is the record. Oh, that is the record. That is the record. Serandia be wo baby. On fan lawyers and mama farming and cockot. Okay, but I'm not even worried about that. I'm worried about the man who appointed Emmanuel Abbey as a board head. And you know the funny thing they are doing now? They are now confused. Say, oral is not working. Cocoa board is disgracing them. The courts are not helping them. The economy is shaming them. Everything is going against them. Which confirms, say, yet they say about 2 way more just to shame them. Now, I will start off little by little with the cocoa board issue because I know idea at that board right now share. Okay? Unim say Randy Abbey, the only reason why I feel say he should not even be asked anything but to be sacked. And then they say he has a team, okay? And he uses cocoa board stuff to finance his team. Omo Kotrepa, Randy Abbey, Emmanuel Abbey, Echesika, Edema no ne lions no. No bobo man no. From cocoa board, and then they call it goodwill. They term that as goodwill. They term that as goodwill. Now, Obekaya yesi yentias yese Samia Wuku akofeska de akosopoto ye former first lady. Intino senchina sebe and Samia Wuku should come and answer. So Obekaya when they came to office. Good. And they are doing the same thing. Now, okay, and sorry, we listeners, the akoma ora no akoye yine say. Eniama woman man crofo saba de begu book no mu anom so mo de kanta NPP phone ni na no. They are culpable of the same offense. Adintia. Because you claim say Obia kosi yamfan say borehole. And borehole no nim say borehole ne price 30 cedis. Obia kosi ni 40 cedis intino krono. Me pa jo so tiase. Enu ti chinchini a wo de enu ahyimu. Now say oko find out class okay e bi onipa kon no or ya de no for 40 a. Say sika na wo say okwa recover every one. Because the project is there. One I will say, oh no, only to say a 20 CD and a 30 CD. And no get free. But also what you say. And they themselves, no, near my buy or my year your office, no, it makes them culpable for this whole aura. Into aura, I want us any MPP Nibia should not think say aura confer anything there back. What they wanted to do to gain some of them, that is to disgrace NPP people. Yes, said I'm found my media, no. Now media no prosecute too. No one say within to make it look say you are doing something bad and whatsoever. almost started say almost they were investigating that. I'm a minim say what there, but mean T NPP ni ba kwa say you could na sema wie ya convict na ma ni da jail ba ko kra ni o. Omo di yoko tata omo ni na and then you don't even hear of that anymore. Obeka ya edu brebi no and no better almost Oma kofa NPP ni way and no better almost say why has that died down? Because omo anka say nim say some ye gina sa ade we so e de obi kotumu a ene ya meso me ba sa de ne ma ye binti ye de meso betum. And therefore oral is not going nowhere. And nobody should think say oral is going to bring anything better to Ghana. Now, but they say now, sorry, Mr. Marcus Nomoka say, we are complaining too much, and I say we are crying more than they believe. Ama, it is true. Ama, utuwe mekai pa satam krana we okala ma say mekai those time because a campaign muntinana we wire hot we are show. Yet na akachrom say MPP is the only solution for the plight of Ghana. One kebi. Want na sabi one kasa unuanom nurse for ne ade wan betu om for ha
Aya afifa de na yabre.
akua ti hoi etoda obeba akua no woti fifire ade ntia wo kasa kire teacher for me kai se ne nua bi ye se lawyer o se ne nua bi ye bibisa na ode ne ye example e wo ha no mod e de kire nkrofo say I have a brother, I have a sister who is going through this. Into mama yen day, mama yen to ya bona yen do. And what did they tell us? Almost no. Then ti ne.
Lawano ya jinsu ye.
Enunti ene ama se nyame ayadom na aban papa ba na ekufu ado na nanim say you know normal 3100 no
Me de ne say nyame na ya aduma na se bunsam no wa petu.
Debi obronsam mfa ne ma papa mma we na nyame na ayadom obronsam mfa ne ma papa mma we na nyame na ayadom ena ekufu ado na waye nanim say yi ena ono abema mo 3100 no wo ye nipa bonne papa enne Peter esekono se men kan kire wo se ote ho na ukura 5 cd a eso chen 10 cd because wo ukura esekono Peter osekono
Okay.
Peter osekono aka Brutus ai we sebe Ashoma estate na kraman bodanfo bi ona kraman ni di Brutus saa na kraman na sete osekono be ka kire wo kokoo ni na wa udua bura udumi se wo de miensa enegu bom mu enu tutumi dua buro ekaba edu ani ni na utumi de aburo ni hihye mu correct enne otu osen kono se wo no onye den onte maase ase o koko kuani a wankasa wo drive koko kali de ko ekoji hu sika de ba de behwe wo ma no Peter osekono se unnim mass nti enne ye ma wo sebe 2500 a eye papa chain 3100 na de ya ne say osan ya bu animtie because sika na nko obetumi de ahye sika no de atua wo sa sika no kampo ntua 6000 3600 na anko betua 3100 no or the sense can ni mo ama media ni a ono onsi koko afuo mu da e champon wo no da insansum nhye ne da so what you say or the sense can come journalist ne say on me convince no mfa camera mbra wasoa camera fo afrin kran asesa scam ye pediem ene yakọ friend crofo maami bi o otum se maami hairdresser ni pens so oyikoko piani because hwe ni green atade e hye ni green hairdresser font ade pe bangre gu ni se ni na kire sebe oye washing wie ya na
enu na ekua da ko aka se lady bi a o kan
ene ono a o hwe ni hairstyle no tum se hairdresser for hairstyle pan na bangre gu ni ko no kire se oye washing wie ya na sebe omode camera esi n'anim no na ba se ni na keti wa wo rutinwi mu ama wa bo